Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to uninstall Spotify on a PC. In order to do so, first off, here in Spotify you're not going to find the uninstall option. What you're going to need to do is uninstall it from your PC using the settings, and if you have your taskbar here, then you can click on this gear. Otherwise, you can go into the search and you can just type in uninstall. And if you do so, then you should see the option here to add or remove programs. We'll go ahead and click on the cog here, and that's going to bring up our settings here, and we can find the option that says apps, and then you can see here it says uninstall defaults. We're going to click on that and the list is going to populate here. We're going to sort by name and we're going to scroll down until we find the S's. Okay, and here we have it, is Spotify in our list. We can select that, and then here you'll see the uninstall option. You can go ahead and click on that and go through the steps, and you will have successfully uninstalled Spotify from your device. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.